So you're going to take your one side strap, put it in, and the strap is sandwiched in the back strap. Remember to cut away the bulk. So I've cut out that excess, okay? And when you pull it out, your strap is sorted.
I made this dress. It is Patrick B 5045 and it's called Fast and Easy, and it really is fast and easy. I gave it a V and I was not able to get it out as long as this dress because this fabric was given to me in 2014 by a friend. It was the remnants of something that she made and I just love it. It is such a beautiful linen. I think there's a bit of rayon in it if I look at the drape, but it's beautiful. So what I did is I lined it with some viscose because I wanted it to be all natural. I would have preferred to line it with silk, but firstly I cannot really find silk chamois. I've been looking everywhere, and if I find it, it is so expensive. I can't afford it. So I decided to use viscose because it's still a natural fiber. I didn't have enough to give it a hem.
I need to just put in the hem. I think I'm going to do it by hand. And then I did the hem by hand. I used the leftover bias binding from the camisole that I made to do the hem.
And it's beautiful. It really looks nice on. Because the fabric has been in my stash and has moved quite a lot, it had a few stains.
It's literally been my stash for almost 20 years. I need to wash it. You can see there's like stains over there.
I was able to get most of them out. There's still one little yellow spot on that side, under there. I don't know if you could see. Otherwise, I got it clean. And I think if I just treat it, I will be able to get that out as well. The jury's still out. I feel stunning in this dress, but it's just too short. It comes to there, and that's not a nice length. And I don't want a short linen dress. Linen dresses need to be long and flowy. But I have a friend who's shorter than me, so if I can get the stain out, I might sell it to her.
Watching my neighbor Toto, and I am busy taking out all the gathering stitches, and then this dress is ready to wear. Look at that! Oh my goodness, that is just perfect. And there is swish. Oh wow, I really like this dress now. Wow, I was able to use that piece of lace that I showed you in a few Friday shows back. And now I could save my linen dress.